Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a sensory bin. So a sensory bin is exactly what it sounds like. It's a bin full of a bunch of different items that are gonna stimulate your kids' different senses. There are countless ways to create a sensory bin. Today I'm gonna focus on 3 different variations that are actually pretty popular and very easy to do.
So obviously you're gonna need a bin, and I would recommend one that has a lid so you can store it easily after your child's done playing with it. Also consider the depth of your container. If it's too shallow, it may mean you'll have more to clean up as it's easier for the contents to come out, and if it's too deep, it's harder to access the items. I have been eagerly anticipating the day that I can purchase kinetic sand for Kai without fear of him eating it, and the day has come. So this is from National Geographic, and I found it on Amazon. It's cool because it comes in different colors, and it also comes with these fun extra toys to throw in the sensory bin. For visual reference, this is 6 pounds of kinetic sand, so it comes packaged densely in 3 packages, and I'm gonna cut it open and throw it inside my bin. If you haven't experienced kinetic sand, please get some. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Now I'm just gonna throw in some stuff I have around the house from past craft items like puff balls and feathers, anything that looks like it'd have a really nice texture, some squiggly eyes, whatever you've got that you think would be fun to play with. And that's my 99-cent score for the day. If your kiddo's apprehensive about using their hands to touch the sand, throw in an old measuring cup, a pair of tongs, a spoon. Give them utensils to scoop with so they can warm up to the idea of eventually touching the sand. So when you're finished, your sensory bin might look a little something like this. If not, don't worry, there are many ways to do this, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can modify it. If you don't have kinetic sand, try using either some sort of beans or rice. They are great starter textures for sensory bins. If you want to go the extra mile, turn your rice into rainbow rice using some food coloring, and I'll show you guys how to do that right now. So now I'm just gonna pour my rice into my sandwich bags. I have small sandwich bags, so I would recommend larger ones, especially if you're trying to fill your bin. But you want it about halfway full, leave room for water. So I would recommend pouring enough water to completely fill the rice. So your water level should be slightly higher than the rice. You can add 1 to 2 drops of your food coloring either before you pour the water or after. I don't really think it made much of a difference. Then just seal the bag and give it a good shake so the rice is all saturated in your color. So I let the rice sit for about 10 to 20 minutes before I drained the water from the bag, and I would suggest taking the rice out and letting it dry on some sort of flat surface where air can get to it, because I forgot about my rice and it was still sticky when I tried to take it out. But nevertheless, I did end up with my pretty rainbow rice. And that is how you make a sensory bin. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, do so. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If not, I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.